Question: how did Attorney A.J. Fountain betray Billy the Kid to hanging? Answer: Attorney Albert Jennings Fountain was court-appointed in Mesilla by Santa Fe Ring Judge Warren Bristol for Billy Bonney's territorial case 582, the Sheriff William Brady murder, after Billy's loyal attorney Ira Leonard quit following a likely Ring death threat. Fountain was a local associate of Ring boss T.B. Catron. In fact, Fountain's unsolved 1896 murder was right after he won a malicious prosecution of Oliver Lee, Catron's ranching competitor, by framing Lee as a rustler. Catron himself was co-counsel. For Billy's trial, Fountain chose as co-counsel Ringite attorney John D. Bale, a Silver City political ally of Catron's. Fountain's April 9, 1881 jury instructions merely repeated Judge Bristol's own prejudicial instructions, forcing a first-degree verdict, meaning hanging. Fountain stated, if the jury are satisfied from the evidence that the defendant was present at the time of the firing of the shot or shots that caused the death of the deceased Brady, they must be further satisfied from the evidence that the defendant either fired the shots that killed the deceased or some one of them, or that he assisted in firing said shot or shots, or assisted in firing the same, or assisted the parties who fired the same, either by his advice, encouragement, procurement, or command, from a premeditated design to effect the death of Brady. Fountain did not make the correct argument for lesser degree by stating that Billy and the regulators acted to save Alexander McSween from murder by Brady when McSween returned to Lincoln that day, and Brady had already used his posse to murder John Tunstall just 42 days earlier. Billy didn't realize Fountain's betrayal. On April 15, 1881, he wrote to his attorney Edgar Capeless about using Fountain for an appeal. Billy stated, I was convicted of murder in the first degree and am to be hanged on the 13th day of May. Mr. A.J. Fountain was appointed to defend me and has done the best he could for me. He is willing to carry the case further if I can raise the money to bear his expense.